this video, I will show you a simplified example of how physics works with a very interesting shot. I wish you an enjoyable view, and the video will impress you. Center of mass. Balance experiment. Energy and momentum transfer. Density and buoyancy. Magnetic fields. And ferrofluid. Friction and inertia. A small piece of car glass breaking. Prince Ruperts drop. White balawa seeds. The danger of wearing high heels. Shoes on the electrometer. Helium flying kayak trick. Buoyancy law. Impact of atmospheric pressure, air resistance to flat sheet. Light polarization, the disappearance and appearance of light. Effective stroboscope. Camera sync. And engine fan. Solar assembly. Shaping molten glass by piston and rotation. Removing the cork from a sealed bottle. Law of hydrostatic. Pressure and fluid flow. of dot embrittlement on aluminum. Laminar flow of dot viscous liquids. And that's it. Wait for us next week in a new video. I'll show you things you've never seen before.